Hey, fantastic folks! Welcome back to Quick Note, the channel that's all about unlocking the secrets of knowledge in a flash. Today's journey is going to be nothing short of mind-blowing. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our quick doses of wisdom. Ready to rock the intellect? Let's get started. 1. Learning a new language. Discovering a new language isn't just about words. It's like a brain workout that brings awesome benefits. Getting smarter, yep, really. Remembering things better. Solving problems like a pro. Want an easy start? Dive into language apps or online courses. They're like your language gym, making learning super organized and easy. Here's the cool part. In 2018, a study found that speaking 2 languages can actually change your brain. It's like giving your brain extra power to stay sharp as you get older. Imagine having a superhero brain that stays strong and sharp, no matter what age you are. 2. Active reading and note-taking. Turn your reading into a power move. Grab a pen or highlighter and get hands-on with your material. It's not just about marking words. It's like giving your brain a boost. Stay laser-focused. Understand things like a pro. Remember stuff better. Guess what? A high school study spilled the tea on the best note-taking trick. They had teens watch a video and do 3 things: type notes, write by hand, or do nothing. The winner? Typing notes. It helped them remember stuff like memory champs. So, when in doubt, type it out. 3. Mindful breathing meditation. In 2018, a tiny study hinted that activities like meditation and mindfulness could be brain superheroes, leveling up. Thinking skills like attention, memory, and problem solving get a boost. Being a master organizer and planner becomes second nature. But hold up. A big 2021 study said just focusing on your breath might not be the ultimate brain workout. It might not jazz up your attention, memory, and problem-solving skills like we thought. A 2018 review chimed in, saying mindful breathing isn't the absolute best, but hey, it beats doing nothing. So, want to give it a go? Find a quiet spot, shut your eyes, and dive into mindful breathing. Inhale for 4 counts, then exhale in slow-mo. Feel each breath, and guess what? Your focus gets a boost, and stress takes a back seat. 4. Strategic online chess. Chess isn't just a game. It's like a brain boot camp. It challenges you to think strategically and stay super focused, giving your whole brain a serious workout. Get this. A look at 24 studies spilled the beans that learning chess can boost your math skills and make your brain extra awesome. The sweet spot for training seems to be around 25-30 hours, not too shabby. And guess what? You don't need a fancy chess set. There are cool chess apps online, so you can flex your brain muscles anytime, right from your phone. No excuses, just brain gains. 5. Dual N back training. Ever heard of dual N back training? It's like a brain workout on steroids. Imagine juggling both visual and auditory info in your mind. Picture this. Keeping tabs on where squares are on a grid, that's the visual part, and remembering sounds or letters, that's the auditory part, in a sequence. And it gets trickier. As you get better, the challenge amps up. Now, you're recalling stuff from multiple spots back in the sequence. It's like a memory and brain power upgrade. A small study in 2020 spilled the beans. 54 folks did this dual N back thing for 16 sessions, and boom, their working memory got a serious boost. Ready to give it a shot? You don't need a special setup. Hit up websites and apps dedicated to brain training, and you'll find these dual N back exercises waiting to turbocharge your brain. 6. Crossword puzzles. Crossword puzzles aren't just word games. They're like mental marathons. Picture filling in a grid with words, decoding clues like a word detective. It's not just fun, it's a brain boost that fires up your word power. Memory skills. Problem-solving mojo. General knowledge. Imagine this. A 78-week study checked out folks with mild cognitive issues. The winner? Web-based crossword training at home. It outshone other online brain games, making minds sharper and smarter. So, next time you're eyeing a crossword, know you're not just playing a game, you're giving your brain a serious workout. Top of form. Bottom of form. 7. Sudoku. Sudoku isn't just a numbers game. It's like a mental gymnastics routine. Imagine a 9 by 9 grid waiting to be filled with numbers 1 to 9, making sure no digit repeats in any row, column, or 3 by 3 subgrid. It's a logic dance that demands your attention. In 2020, a small study peeked into brains tackling Sudoku. Guess what? Both the fancy-sounding medial and lateral parts of the prefrontal cortex, PFC, were on fire. The medial PFC, in particular, went into overdrive when brains were hunting down logical rules and strategies to crack the Sudoku code. Hold on, here's the cool part. Sudoku isn't just a game, it's a brain booster. The study hinted that it could be like a superhero for cognitive training, especially for folks dealing with PFC-related challenges like depression, bipolar disorder, or Alzheimer's disease. So, next time you're diving into Sudoku, know you're not just solving a puzzle. You're giving your brain a workout that might be helping it stay sharp and strong. 8. Go. Ever heard of Go? It's like a brain Olympics from ancient China, a board game that's all about making tough choices, thinking in 3D, and planning for the long haul. Playing Go isn't just a game, it's a mental workout that supercharges your brain skills, strategic smarts, concentration powers. Guess what? You don't need a fancy board. There are apps for Go on both iOS and Android. And get this, a study uncovered the brainpower of Go players, especially the high-level masters. They aced the cognitive reflection test, CRT, leaving even top university students in the dust. Here's the cool part. It wasn't about how often they played but how strong they played. It's like Go masters have a secret key to exceptional thinking. Plus, they're not just wizards on the board. They've got top-notch social skills, understanding thoughts and feelings like it's second nature. So, when you're deep into a game of Go, know you're not just playing, you're boosting your brain and social smarts at the same time. 9. Bridge. Ever tried Bridge? It's not just a card game, it's like a mental gym session. Picture this: critical thinking, memory workouts, and strategic moves, all packed into one game. It's not just about fun, it's a smart way to keep your brain on its toes. Here's the scoop. A study looked at folks aged 55-91, and guess what? Bridge players showed a brain boost in working memory and reasoning. It's like giving your brain a workout routine. But hold up, the jury's not fully in. While this study hinted at Bridge's brain benefits, more research is needed to shout it from the rooftops. So, if you're dealing out cards in a game of Bridge, know you're not just playing. You might be giving your brain a tune-up. Let's recap. Think of brain exercises like chess or dual end back training as dynamic tools to keep your mind sharp and strong. While research results vary, these activities have the potential to boost memory, problem-solving skills, and overall cognitive abilities. They might even spark structural changes in the brain, building up neural reserve. The good news? You don't need a complicated plan. Dive into online platforms for easy access, and make enhancing your cognitive abilities a regular part of your routine. Consider it a workout for your brain, and trust me, your brain will thank you for the effort. And that's a wrap for today's Quick Note adventure. If you enjoyed our speedy exploration of fascinating facts, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more quick bursts of knowledge. Stay curious, stay sharp, and as always, keep those notes quick. See you in the next episode.